Mr. Koschitzky always said that companies can either grow or shrink, but they can never stay the same. It's not only growth in capital. The people that we're blessed to work with are probably our strongest asset.
Listen, I think if you asked any successful business person what the most important thing is, they'll always say people, people, people. People like to be part of a family business. They like to be part of a legacy which emphasizes certain values that they see even within their own families. My grandfather decided to move to Europe in the early 70s. I mean, that was early on in our business, but he built a shingle plant in Belgium.
1976, we hired our first salespeople to expand into the US. We decided that it wasn't enough to just ship from Canada to the US. It was important to have a US presence. At the same time, Mr. Koschitzky had suggested to us that we should get into the commercial business.
I came to Europe in the early 90s, and we bought a small manufacturing location in France in the commercial roofing business. Change came in the year 2000 when we bought the Ruberoid Group, which put us in a premier leading position in the UK, Holland, and Belgium. And that laid the path subsequently to that, getting into the insulation business, where we built from scratch 4 plants.
We built the plant in Sumas, Washington to take care of the Western US. Then we rebuilt some of our Canadian facilities and also built a facility in Kankakee. From there, we expanded down to Sylacauga and then Hillsborough. Now we have Clay Hill. Really expanded the residential business. We also wanted to become vertically integrated so that we can supply our own granules. Same thing with glass. We were able to build our own plant, state-of-the-art in Chester.
If our grandfather were here today, I don't think he would recognize much. What he would recognize is the values, because we based the values on what we learned from him.
You own what you're doing, and you show that ownership through 2 ways. You do what you do with passion, you bring passion to it, what you're doing, and accountability. And that doesn't mean you hold other people accountable only. You do, but you have to hold yourself accountable.
My grandfather, if he looked around and saw everything that was going on, I think he'd be shocked. Underneath it all, he'd be very proud of his legacy.